First guest this week is Ray Smith. He is the CEO of TRYF Financial. TRYF is their symbol. Ray, good to see you again.
It's great to be here, Don.
Now, I know, Ray, that the company is all about helping people fix their credit and get credit for payments that they make that they ordinarily don't get credit for. Can you kind of give us a general overview?
Yep, absolutely. The first thing we do is we've put their money in order with our Simply Budgets program. We show them where their payments are and when they're going to come out of their account and all that stuff, to give them that roadmap. And then we take those payments and we put them on a credit report so that when lenders are trying to give them a car loan or a mortgage loan, they actually see the rent and the electric and the insurance. It's ironic that people pay their insurance payments every month, but when you go to apply for insurance, they pull your credit to see what your credit score is, and that dictates your premium.
Amazing.
And we've cracked that code for the American consumer, where now we can actually show the lender the consumer's good payment history.
And you're basically helping people do a better job of managing their money, because I think that's a lot of problems with credit to begin with, right? Poor money management.
It is. Right now, the way the system is set up, you get your bank statement, or you can log in online and check to see what your balance is, but you don't know the future. You don't know when your cell phone is due or how much you need today. Am I good? Am I not? What's coming? And with our Simply Budgets program, we actually show you the road ahead of you instead of drive down the road and look in the rearview mirror.
Well, now you just announced something with a company called Rezzcard. Tell us about that.
Yes, the Rezzcard program, I'll let Alex, who's joining us today, they help low-income tenants, and those tenants pay their payments every month, and instead of putting down a large deposit for a cell phone bill, by showing these payment histories, these alternative payments, we can help these consumers get around that.
Well, we have with us on the phone Mr. Alex Cooper. He is the co-founder of Rezzcard. Alex, welcome to the program.
Hi, thank you.
Alex, tell us what Rezzcard is all about.
Well, I guess in one sentence, I've managed to boil it down. Rezzcard is about taking underserved consumers from cash to card. And what I mean by that, if you look at the monthly bills that we all have, whether you're underserved or banked or low income or upper income, rent is the one payment, or mortgage, but let's say rent is one payment that everybody has to make each month, and typically they tend to make it just by writing a check, or in the case of an underserved, lower income consumer, they buy a money order and they either mail it in or drop it off at the rent office. And there's a lot of issues with doing that, and we are looking for we are providing a solution that allows the underserved consumer both to pay their rent electronically, so they can take the cash instead of buying a money order. They can go to a convenient location near them, such as a Western Union type of location. They can put the cash down, and that amount will be credited to the landlord's account the next day. But more importantly, from the consumer point of view, is they'll get a transaction receipt. They'll know that the payment was made. They know it won't be lost. It can be traced. And then working with TRYF and their credit reporting services, we're now going to give that same consumer the ability to create a bona fide legal credit report to help them build credit based on what many would consider their most important payment, their rent payment.
Well, that is a remarkable service, Alex. Thank you for sharing that with us. Congratulations on your working with TRYF. I would have to think, Ray, that landlords love that program as well.
Absolutely. They use that for a means to get their payment on time. They'd let the tenants know, look, we're going to report this, so you better pay us on time. So it's a win-win for the tenant and the landlords.
Again, the company is TRYF Financial. TRYF is their stock symbol. Ray, every time you come in here, you've got more fascinating news about this, and always a special guest, too. Thanks for joining us.
Thank you, Don. Love being here.